5 Best DIY Mouthwash Recipes. Mouthwash does not only freshen your breath but also prevents your teeth from cavities. There are different types of mouthwash available in the market, but you can also make them at your home using natural products. 1. Baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 glass of warm water. What to do: add baking soda to 1/2 glass of warm water. Mix it well and rinse your mouth with this solution after brushing your teeth. How is it helpful? Baking soda is an excellent product to get rid of bad breath and oral bacteria. It is alkaline in nature and can increase the pH level of the saliva. 2. Coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. What to do: put the oil in your mouth and swish it 10 to 15 times. Spit the oil and rinse your mouth with water. How is it helpful? This process is known as oil pulling. Coconut oil is not only a good mouthwash but also helps to detoxify your body. It decreases the formation of plaque in the mouth. 3. Salt. 1/2 teaspoon of table salt and 1/2 glass of warm water. What to do: add salt in the water and mix it well. Now rinse your mouth with this mixture. You can do it easily after your meal. How is it helpful? Saltwater is as effective as any other mouthwash available in the market. It can help to minimize dental issues and plaque formation. 4. Aloe vera juice. 1/2 cup of aloe vera juice, 1/2 cup distilled water. What to do: mix aloe vera juice in water and rinse your mouth with this solution every time you brush your teeth. How is it helpful? This concoction helps to reduce gingival bleeding and plaque. 5. Cinnamon and clove oil. 1 cup distilled water, 10 drops cinnamon oil and 10 drops of clove oil. How to make: mix all the ingredients together and it is ready to use. This mixture has a long shelf life and so you can even store it. How is it helpful? The clove and cinnamon oil helps to freshen your breath and fight cavities. Do you have any questions, experiences or remedies yourself you want to share? Please submit them in the comments under this video. Why not visit our website fastnaturalremedies.com for lots of tips and advice about home remedies. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the latest home remedies? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more fast natural remedies.